Press the power button and press F7 or delete continuously. Enter into Select Boot Device menu. Select Enter Setup and press Enter. Enter into BIOS Setting menu. Select Advanced. Select Power and Performance and press Enter. Select CPU Power Management Control. Select View Configure Turbo Options. Select Power Limit 1 Override to select Enabled. Select Power Limit 1 to change the appropriate value. If you want the Power Limit 1 value to be 8 watt, then input 8000. If you want the Power Limit 2 value to be 10 watt, input 10,000. Press F4 to save and exit.